Did you know that most popular and rock songs usually use the same chords? In fact, we love to use these chords because they sound good together, and this is what we call a chord progression. So in this video, I want to show you part 2 of my 5 essential rock chord progression. Now, if you haven't seen part 1, I'm just going to drop that right here in the cards. Alright, so to show you the chord progression, I'm going to be using the key of C major just to keep it simple. So just a quick recap here. If I use the C major scale, we want to add the degrees to each note, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. And what happens here is that we're going to be creating triad chords on each of these notes using only the note of the scale. So, first degree, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. And these are the diatonic chords for C major. So it's going to give us different chords that we're going to be using for the chord progression. So we have C, D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor, B minor flat 5, back to 1. Amazing! So the first chord progression we're going to be talking about is from the song Every Breath You Take by The Police. And it sounds just like this. So this beautiful song is using the 1, 6, 4, 5 chord progression. And in C major, we're going to have C, that is 1, A minor, that is 6, F major for the 4, and G major for the 5. So C, A minor, F, 5, G. Very popular chord progression. Now the second chord progression is from the song Have I Told You Lately by Van Morrison. Alright, so this one is going to be using the 1, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to have the chords of C, E minor, F major, and G major. How pretty is that? Now the next chord progression is going to be from the song All Along the Watchtower by Jimi Hendrix, and it sounds like this. So the chord progression for this song is going to be the 6, the 5, the 4, and the 5, and it plays on and on. So in C major, we have the 6, A minor, the 5, it's G, the 4 is F, back to G. It's a very cool rock chord progression. Now moving on to our chord progression number 4, and this one is going to be from the song All Star by Smash Mouth, and it sounds just like this. So this song is using the 1, 5, 2, 4, and in C major we're going to be having C for the 1, 5, which is G, D minor for the 2, and F for the 4. So C, G, D minor, 4. And now for the last chord progression. This one is from a song by the Foo Fighters called Walk. I really love this chord progression because this one sounds a little bit different from the other. So we're going to be using the 1, 5, minor 2, and minor 4. So let's take a look at the chords here. So it's going to be C major for the 1, G for the 5, D minor for the 2 minor, and we have an F minor for the 4 minor. It's so pretty. This one is not a diatonic chord because we don't have any A flat in C major, but this one is so pretty I had to add it to the group. So amazing. Alright, so there you go, you have 5 new chord progressions to practice. Please drop a comment below and let me know what is your favorite one. Alright, have fun and have a good practice.